Hello everyone and welcome to a new video, and today we are going to talk about the new AI tool which we are going to review today, which is 11 Labs. Now this is a text to speech converter, and it does a pretty good job. Now before I can proceed with the details, I request you to kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not done yet. Please do not forget to press the bell icon. Besides that, you're going to find a few links. Make sure that you join the Telegram group, because that's the place where you can get most of the updates. So coming to the website, let's go straight away to the website. The website is in beta mode. It is called 11labs.io. So once you log in, you can see I'm already logged in. Sign up. You straight away, when you move out to the speech synthesis, you move out to this particular. These are the various voices which are there. First one, I'll pick up the default. There are voice settings if you want to tinker around with it. Well, I don't find, because typically I found the voice settings done to be perfect. Then you have the language option over here. So let's select standard language English. And then what you need to do is you just need to type in your content. I have just kept some text ready over here. So and then you say generate. So it's quite pretty fast too.
How late is too late? We often see inspirational stories about people going back to college late in life.
So you can see immediately it's generated a voice note for you. Let's continue.
But what about doing the same for your financial education? When it comes to building wealth, it's never too late to go back to school. You'll always benefit from the knowledge and experience of investors who have walked the road, made mistakes, and learned lessons worth passing on.
Simple as it is. So you can see it has generated a voice note. You can straight away go here and download it. As simple as it can be. And really I like the simplicity. Then there is a add voice option wherein you can go and add clone voices. So you can go over here, you can let's minimize this. You can go over here and design a voice. So if you click over here, you can see you have the options, what kind of a voice you want, young, old, etc. Then what kind of accent you want to use, and the accent strength and all, and you can generate, and then you can finally use this particular voice. So you have the option to generate or clone 3 voices over here. So that once you are done, you can come back and add that voice. Suppose you want a custom voice which you wanted, you can go and add it over here. So right now what I'll do is let's try out some other language. So I'll let's say I'm selecting this voice settings, and here I'm going to select say Hindi. Okay, and for that matter I need Google Translate. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy this text. Okay, paste it over here, change the language to Hindi. So here I have my text. I'll come over here, paste it over here, and say generate.
कितनी देर बहुत देर हो चुकी है।
There you see,
हम अक्सर जीवन में देर से कॉलेज जाने वाले लोगों की प्रेरणादायक कहानियां देखते हैं।
So you can see immediately a voice is generated. Now you can type in your own text, or supposing you want you can use ChatGPT to get a description or anything about whatever topic you want to, and paste it over here and generate the voice. Let's download this voice over here. In the meanwhile, you see it's download. So I'll say open.
कितनी देर बहुत देर हो चुकी है।
There you see,
हम
it's an
अक्सर जीवन
MP3
में
format. Straight away you can use it. So
लेकिन अपनी वित्तीय शिक्षा के लिए भी ऐसा ही करने के बारे में क्या? जब संपत्ति बनाने की बात आती है तो स्कूल वापस जाने में कभी देर नहीं होती।
The good thing about this particular site has been that the voices are more human made. I mean, more human like and less of AI. So you can see this particular voice note, especially which is there, the Hindi one, looks very very similar to someone actually speaking. So all in all, very good website, I guess. But of course, the fact it is free, it has its limitations. Let's come to the pricing. But before I can move ahead with the pricing, I would request you to give a like, share this video across so that it can reach more and more people, and do subscribe to my channel. And there are lots of more AI tools which I have already reviewed, and some more which you are going to review. You can check it in the playlist called AI tools. So coming to the pricing plan, you can see it's free. 10,000 characters per month are free. You can create up to 3 custom voices. Custom voices I've already shown you. Then create speech in various languages like English, German, Polish, Spanish, Italian, French, Portuguese, and Hindi. And you have a API access too. So then for starters, you have $5 per month, 22 per month, and various features like 30,000 characters, 100,000, 10 custom voices, and loads of other things. And for heavy users, you always have the enterprise model, wherein you can contact them and get you a customized solution for you. So this is it about 11 labs. I hope that you're gonna like this video. Do let me know your feedback in the comment section. Until the next video, take care and be safe.